Shannon, and she's going to tell us about the parrot rescue situation in Australia. So, Zarita, how did you get into rescuing parrots?
I had a self-pressed cockatoo. It was a screamer, constantly screaming, and yeah, I wanted to find him a home where he went into sort of a sanctuary situation with other birds and he could live out his life without having to be in a house situation and go back into screaming and driving people mad. And then couldn't find it. Met a behaviour consultant in Shannon. She helped me train him to stop the screaming, and noticed that there was a problem with sulphurs and corellas and galahs losing their home because of aggression, screaming. So I got the opportunity to be able to start doing it and started taking birds on. Then some people who lost their parrot kindly donated the website and created the website for me. Gave them all the information that I'd researched and set up. And they set the website up, so it became sort of an information portal, and that's basically why I set the website up, because I wanted to educate people. And then started the boarding and the shop to help fundraise the rescue, taking, I only deal with pet birds, not wild ones. And so I kept on taking them in, and then sort of started to the point where I could just do that full time. So I've been doing it
full time. Oh, what a wonderful job.
No, it's not glamorous, but yeah.
Would you rather trade and be an accountant?
It's not a clean job,
So how many rescue birds do you have on as a normal basis?
I have I've decreased in numbers. I've probably got about 90 now.
90?
90?
90?
Yeah. A lot of sulphurs, galahs, corellas, they're my main. Because they're not worth anything on the market, people just want to,
dump them.
Yeah, and I get a lot of people that don't want to just dump them, they support them, they pay a yearly fee. But I've got a lot of volunteers now that take in a lot of the natives, so that's really helped. And I generally only rehome them into where people have got acreage and large aviaries where they can slowly be rehabilitated back into living in their natural environment.
So do you have a lot of foster situations, like in America, the rescues try to foster the birds out, or you keep them in sanctuaries and a natural surrounding? Yeah,
keep them in natural, try to rehabilitate them back into their natural surrounding, and then I rehome them from that point to people that have got large aviaries and things like that. So, I have got a few people that hold birds on for me, but they generally fall in love with them and
don't want to give them up.
I don't, not in house environments or anything like that. They're generally to the point where they can live in aviaries. It sometimes takes 6 months to a year for a bird can live out in an aviary. Depends on what situation you've been in beforehand.
So do you think this is a growing situation? Are there more and more rescues, birds needing to be rescued, or are people getting more educated and aware? And not taking on birds that they're not able to deal with?
We're noticing, here we're noticing the numbers decrease in breeding and things like that. So, but there's a lot of wild caught down in Sydney and Melbourne. That's where the problem is mostly down there, rather than in Queensland, because most of my birds that I can take in are from Sydney, RSPCA down there, so that's where there is an increasing problem because there's excess amounts in the wild.
Is this the only rescue in Australia?
No, there's other people that take on birds. The only reason we're sort of out in the public is because we were able to get the website up and running. So I have people that do coordinate adoption and things like that in different states, things like that. But there are other people that just do it, just take on birds, and like volunteers that I have, they can take on a lot of birds.
So what can people do to help rescue birds? The general public, whether maybe they're not on acreage and they can't take in a cockatoo because it might disturb the neighbours.
Things that people can do in our situation is especially in Sydney, we need funding to help vet bills. Vet bills are quite large, especially PVFD tests are now nearly $200 a test. And all the sulphurs, all the natives have to be tested. So it's just, they can go to our website and make donations. And there's other organisations. Parrot Trust, they're big on, we support them because they're big on, conservation and everything like that. And some of their money goes to the sanctuaries over there. So,
Well, thank you for taking the time to talk to us, and hopefully people will learn a little bit about rescuing parrots and what it takes, and avoiding situations where they need to be rescued.
Yeah.
Keep them forever.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Zarita.
That's all right.
Okay, thanks.